nice rain foot.
Yeah.
See that rain foot?
On the back end.
Yeah, that's where it hits the ground and spreads out. There's probably 60, 70 mile an hour wind in there. Nice little microburst. Very lovely.
Saying that both of them are dropping quite a lot of rain.
So texture.
Beautiful high-based hailstorm here. There's the updraft right there's the beastly core, nice rain foot coming in. Here's some thunder there. This thing is nice.
Woohoo! They are getting close.
Oh, yeah! Wow.
That's pretty loud.
Hey, how are you?
Okay. Absolutely. Mike Phelps. Mike Phelps.
Yeah, it's a pretty good sea breeze coming out here. A couple nice hail cores. He used to work for the Weather Channel. Yeah. Definitely very photogenic.
Yeah.
That was a good one right there.
Woo! I don't know how to do my
It's gonna make for a killer time lapse. Man, that was a good one right there. Just on the left side. It'll get here. I hope I got that. Like the main core is over here, and then you got the secondary right there.
If it was a different color, we'd consider it a rain shaft. Right?
Yeah, you can see it just kind of falling out real nice and slow there on the bottom.
Uh-huh.
And then it'll recycle and it'll put more down. This base looks really nice too. Big, healthy, high base.
Guys get some good stuff. I mean, it's just spitting out some like
I'll have some wicked stills.
Let's move down the road a little bit.
Just a few more seconds. Field's off screen. Wiper, please. Thank you.
Look over there. Come on, guys. A little faster, please. You see him tip?
Yeah.
Why would they bring a high-profile vehicle like that into the store? They need to think about bringing lower-profile vehicles in. That's crazy.
I mean, kids in the phone, get out of the way. We're in the car. Every part of it.
We're almost out of it. Look at that. Yes. Absolutely. That's a beautiful storm.
It's obvious we've got the best storm in the area, or this one would be again.
We played today as perfect as we could have played.
How many white tails we got?
I can see better visibility immediately ahead. So, just about out. Say it's a little HP, wouldn't you? My friend from Australia. Ooh, the darn screen.
There's the rest of the convoy. Unless they know something that's going on in there that we don't.
No, there's nothing going on in there. This is all outflow in the storm.
Whoa, that was nice.
We're gonna drive through a wall of dust up here.
How compared to that? Look. Is that? Debris.
Yeah.
Debris! Into your window. Would have been like that. Tasty.
This dust rising up here.
Just kind of pictures me back.
There we go. Right through it. It kind of diffused a little bit across the field there, actually, but still pretty awesome.
Woo! That was fun.
Yeah.
Seems to be all collecting. That was nice. That CG there. Seems to be all collecting in that area.
Yeah. Well, that's where the outflow kind of starts dying, and it literally does gather. It bunches up.
Just lightning, isn't it?
Friction slows it down, so it all literally just piles up, and then it just diffuses out. So, very good observation.
Houses in the way I missed that one. Hey, you can see the little notch up there, actually, right above us.
Street's still there.
Yeah,
It's not surprising with all this crap flying around, is it?
it's struggling mightily out here.
Should get better if we get closer to Seymour.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a good streak in Seymour. I think they're getting little snapshots right now.
Snapshots of this is better than nothing.
Yeah. Look, it's dissipated.
Yep, it's gone. No, it's still there a little bit, but that video's gonna suck though. It was bouncing around too bad.
But that's a good sign that this thing's going to spit something out, isn't it?
Well, there's. Station, as far as I know, is holding up there.
Good.
As far as you know.
As far as I know, I don't think I've heard
It's
it.
still reading data, then it must be still there.
Had it go, mate.
Yeah, we should have heard it if it would have been.
You'd have heard it rip off.
Yeah.
This would be the mezzo right here then, right? Looks that way. It's broad rotation. There's a little notch coming in.
Yes.
So we're right underneath it. A lot
So
more
what we trying to
chasers.
do, get in front of it.
Well, we're parallel with it. Here's the radar. And,
Well, at some point. Are you still looking
You
for that?
wouldn't even think we're nowhere near the thing itself, are we? In a sense.
This road is going to go south and sort of east-southeast for a while now into Seymour.
yeah.
I think it's definitely getting bigger. Oh no, maybe it's not.
Yeah, we're all right.
Still only quarter size.
So it might try and swing back up. The wind, yeah.
Might turn the back
Alright, I'll speak to you later. Okay, have a good night's sleep. Will do, bye. Cost me $1.18.
Oh wow. What's that movie?
It's getting bigger, mate.
Yeah, it's getting bigger. Oh, look at this. Now that's a shot.
Show me if it was got bigger. Isn't it?
Yeah, there was the mezzo, I think, went right over us, so you saw the little Little change in wind direction there. That was fun.
That was a big one.
Uh-oh. Getting bigger.
You can see the root very, very, very slightly. Can't really see much else. The other course totally shifted. And shrunk.
About ping pong. Yeah.
That's like it was rabbit roll.
Oh my gosh, that was a big one.
Whoa!
Yeah.
We are right in it.
Oh.
Oh. We have on the that's down that scan. Yeah, it's the one thing. I reckon it could have been gone once.
That hail sounds a little bit softer.
Yeah, I reckon it has. Because right now, where you were close to so it's still in it.
Very, very close.
We get south of this, we should see some pretty phenomenal structure.
Wow!
Wow.
Here we go again.
Make sure these people are on the right side of the road.
Yep, they're all good.
Side. Yes, I know.
Wow. This lighting is amazing in here.
This cell is amazing.
Look at the wind down
Mind your window down, let's have a look. You can barely see you.
And
This
now
is
we got
more
some
like a
fog
tropical
too
storm.
because of the warmth and all this cool rain and hail on it. Here, go left a little, left.
Pulling
Left.
I would just
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
look out your left so you can see.
It's just trying to pull over.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. I thought he was going off the
Kind of
road.
look your left sometimes to see the road.
Almost out. We can see the head. You can see the light.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Still must be coming south because there's no way we're near the shoulder. We're coming out of there. Yeah, we're going to get hammered.
Any south options, John?
Hang on a minute, let me just get back in. The lens cable.
Is it becoming impossible? Because the lens is wet.
My hat. Phone. Wallet. Door.
Did you get back online,
Let's
Mike?
have a look.
You know we're streaming again.
Oh, look at it feed
It-
in.
It had to be, yeah, it had to be just that area there where we were,
But I
Completely.
think we're about to get battered.
I bet you everybody in that area was having bad times.
That?
Is this look up?
If you look to the right, you can see all that feeding up into it there.
Tell me what this has in it. I've got an airplane sitting on the airport.
Hail to the size of possibly tennis balls. 80 to 90 mile an hour wind.
Think it's gonna go below us.
Looks like it's gonna pass off that way, but we may get clipped. We could get clipped.
Which to it by the looks of it.
Watch the elbows.
You're going to shut the door?
Is it my mom? No, it's somebody
No,
else.
sorry, it's
That was
mine.
close.
Oh, yeah.
Film and not get got that one.
Oh. Oh, yeah. All right,
Wow.
that's
Fucking saw.
that's God's memo to getting.
What an absolute beast of a storm.
Yeah, it's beastly. All right, just the look of it. Just everywhere you look, there's photo ops. Love the way that scud's hanging down there. That's just kind of beastly in itself.
Mike's going brave again. I wouldn't. That was
She's
close
close
again.
enough to the car, I think, that if it did just die, it would just kind of die.
Oh, look at that behind us over there.
I'm kind of wondering. That's very suspicious in there.
Yeah, it is.
Should we move?
Let's go back to this suspicious area here.
Whoa.
That big dark area
Yeah.
back in there.
What you mean suspicious as in there might be
saying?
something in there?
Oh,
I totally got that on film.
Same here. And again.
Oh, and
look at
right
this
over
thing.
there.
I have to sit up here. I can't open the nosebleeds anymore.
Sorry, I'm halfway to the door
effing
anyway.
stupid. I'm,
Freaking atmospheric terrorism right now.
yeah, I'm crushing chips.
That's all right, they're only mine.
Cheers. Thank you for letting me sit on your seat.
Alright.
This is beautiful.
Pow, pow, zap, 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 pow. Right to our left.
It's just over here.
Oh, you got that
Oh,
one.
I got that one.
Yeah, you got
But then I got soaked. Anyway, we can get a bit further out of it.
Oh, that was right above us. That was right above. What?
It's all over the place. Okay. Yeah, let's get down the road a little ways again.
Yeah.
Get some perspective, because it's starting to advance pretty quickly now.
Yeah, we're just going to get mullered in a minute.
I don't know what I'm stepping on. Ow, I just sat on this thing and that did not feel good.
You
Oh.
didn't sit on the armrest, did you?
That went up my bum. Like, oh,
I'm innocent!
oh.
We're gonna have to edit that out of the
Not on the
video.
top one.
It was pretty close.
Ooh.
I'm okay.
All right, here we
It
go.
wasn't a full sit down, it was like a, oh, enough to not sit farther down.
Not easy.
Oh,
All over the place.
this is so fantastic.
That's what we've been
I'm
waiting
in
for.
heaven. The gates just opened.
The Shannon squeak. Oh, that was in the clouds as well. You get that one, Chris, in the clouds.
It's just on the upper edge. You just don't know where it's like.
No, just down in there.
Kind of got it. Yeah, I'm getting this. Wow, that was close.
That was,
Sparking over there as well.
Yeah, it's sparking down off there. though.
whoa, was that right above your head?
Those horses, they don't even care.
Yeah. Doody doody do. Just another day at the office. Nothing to write. We're getting agitated.
In the horse for doing one.
Well, I feel sorry for them because they aren't going to get up to.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Dead. South, south.
Yep.
Which is where we're headed.
Wow. This is a beast.
Are you going to keep driving south or are you going to want the east option?
Keep going south for a while. How close are we to the east option?
I got no idea.
We'll see it.
Wow!
Yes.
Every time I look away, it happens.
No, I'm always half out the free door anyway, mate.
We're taking a curve here. You'll probably be able to see it better back there now.
You're going to miss out now. Oh, look at his opening.
It's fairly close.
This is dirt.
Yeah, these trees are thin.
So where's this tornado warning?
South of us.
South of here.
Which way south?
Oh, there's some